All right, everybody, so we got ready. We are on our way. Drop a key. That's all right. We're gonna get straight to it, boys and girls. Let's put you guys right there. Right there. All right, y'all, well, welcome to the whip. Not gonna lie to you, kind of in the mood for a little snack. Let's see what we got working with us, y'all. So today's video hopefully informs you guys on 5 tips and tricks that I've learned to lose weight faster. Let's go get a snack, and then I'll meet you guys at the gym and we'll talk about it more over there. Never doing that again. Never.
I know it don't know me. I've been sipping on D, well, you're not gonna hold me. Sit back, I'm lonely. I've been looking through the sky like God really told me. Got a hand on my car, hand on my box. Switch on my face to the law. My face to the law. She said she won't switch.
Hey, how you doing? Can I get a small black iced coffee and also a wake up wrap, please? Thanks, boss. Yo, go. Thank you.
And now,
We on the move, y'all.
Need you to know. You don't need a go-go. Let me take you out, we in Soho. You were there by my side, I was solo. Now I'm losing my mind, I don't know, no. You don't need a go-go. Let me take you out, we in Soho. You were there by my side, I was solo. Now I'm
all right, everybody, we made LA Fitness. I just did my workout. It was amazing, as always. Now I'm gonna get started with the tips, the 5 things I learned while losing weight to make me lose weight faster. Number 1 thing, guys, was the sauna or sweating. Now, as you see, we can't use it right now because of, as we said before, it happens. Let's take a look at LA Fitness's sauna. Dark, gloomy, dead. Next tip, water consumption. Biggest tip for losing weight faster. Hold that thought. First, you gotta learn how to drink the water. Once you learn how to drink the water, then what you wanna do is, seriously guys, make sure you're not drinking too much water. Try to make sure you drink only 60 to 70 ounces of water if you're trying to lose weight. And if you see the water loss on the weight scale, don't think in your head, oh, that's just water. Use that for motivation to lose the real fat pounds. When you first see it, think it's real weight. Use that power the next day so when you gain back that water weight, you still kept the fat off. All right, everybody, so we just finished the workout at LA Fitness. I'm pretty pooped. I'm gonna head back to my house where I'm gonna grub and get a shower and everything. Got a couple tips for you guys there too. About to get hit by a car, but let's get to it. So the next tip for you guys is make sure to organize your days, to keep track of actually what you're eating, and to know as you wake up, when you weigh yourself every morning, you can start getting an idea of each food you're eating, what it's actually doing to the weight scale for you. And you can start seeing yourself lose weight daily. And I'm telling you guys, weighing yourself every day really does give you a real organized way of keeping track to make sure you're staying in a positive direction and losing weight. All right, y'all boys, so we back. We got our snacks. Boom, boom, and boom. All right, so first things first, this. Off limits. You guys don't get that yet. It's fine though. It's my treat. Almonds. Can't go wrong with them, guys. It's a quick snack, good protein. We've talked about it before in my diet video. This is a good example of one of the bars I talk about also in my diet video, guys. It can almost be a replacement meal, but I would use it in between your meals to keep you from, going towards your temptations. This is the next tip, guys. So make sure that when you're out and about, it's 6 o'clock, it's 5 o'clock, you're out and about with your friends or you're hanging out, it's during work, you have these kinds of snacks. So you don't go to those vending machine snacks or the gas station to get the honey buns or, the donut sticks or whatever else you can find that fills you up quick and you think it's just small calories. Those add up, guys. Lots of fats, lots of sugars, lots of gained weight. All right, everybody, so I made it back to mi casa, getting everything uploaded right now. Kind of dark in here, but that's because it's about our last tip. So our last tip of this video is sleep schedule. Guys, I cannot stress enough, make sure you're getting a good sleep schedule. I know it's hard. You got your phone time, you got the people you're texting at night, you're looking forward to that time where you can just lay down in your bed. Maybe you took a nap that day and you're not that tired, but guys, you need to force yourselves to go to sleep and really get on a good 8-hour schedule, and literally a schedule. Try to make sure that you're going to bed around the same time each night. It produces for your muscles to actually recover properly and even for you to break down all those calories and all those fats. But yeah, guys, make sure you're really paying attention to your sleep schedule. And that is all the tips that I've learned, the 5 tips that will help you lose weight faster. Now that you know them, put them in action. Guys, as always, follow the Instagram, follow the Facebook group, get ready for the next video. And I'm gonna practice tip number 5 right now and call it the night. Good luck. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.
Is it too late? Cause I gotta realize, yeah. She choosy, she moody. Want a bad, no, she never wanna lose me. Want a bad, but she never really knew me. On my ass, so that guy, yeah, she threw me. Yeah, you never really knew me.